In this video, we are exploring the Spring Garden Swing Bridge. I was not able to walk on the bridge due to the fact it was burnt and also it was not very safe to walk on. So here's the history of this location. A steel swinging bridge and timber trestle span the middle branch of the Patapsco River. The Spring Garden Bridge is eligible under Criterion A for associates with the development of the rail transportation system in Maryland and the growth of Baltimore as the industrial power at the turn of the century. The bridge was constructed in 1904 by the Western Maryland Tidal Water Railroad Company, a subsidiary of the Western Maryland Railroad, and extended the rail line into the Locust Point area of Baltimore. A double-tracked main line now ran from Glens Falls into Port Covington across the Spring Garden Bridge. Previously, the Western Maryland had only a small rail yard located in northwest Baltimore. The construction of the bridge was part of the large effort to improve the railroad's Baltimore facility and gain a marine terminal. In the first few years of the 20th century, the Western Maryland constructed the Port Covington Yard on the eastern side of Locust Point. The yard included grain elevators, coal piers, turntable, and shops, and made the railroad's Baltimore facility compatible with those of the B&O Railroad. Also located on Locust Point and the Pennsylvania Railroad in Covington. The Spring Garden Bridge is also significant under Criterion C for engineering. The Spring Garden Bridge was fabricated by the Pennsylvania Steel Company. United Contracting Company provided the foundation and timber work. The total cost for the bridge approaches and dredging was over $177,000. The through trestle steel bridge is 220 feet long with 1,732 feet of pier and timber approaches. A framed operator's house is located on the revolving span. The bridge and trestle retain their original appearance. As might be expected, the timber work has been replaced frequently. However, the bridge has undergone only minor alterations and repairs, such as adding guardrails and a footwalk and replacing the motor and operator's house. Unused for a number of years, the steel bridge remains in fair condition, although the operator's cabin has significant fire damage. The bridge hasn't been in service since the late 80s. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And also make sure you hit that like button down below. Thanks for watching.